In today's video, I will share with you one of my ice cream base. Okay, this is actually perfect for all kinds of ice creams, and trust me, it is very easy to put together and also very quick. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. I'm so sorry about how I'm talking, okay? I still have cold. That is just by the way. So I have with me here my whole milk. If you are new here and you have not yet subscribed or followed, please do so for more videos. That is the quantity of the milk we are using today. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers. I am so grateful for your time here. Yes, so please continue to watching our videos, share to others, and then leave us comments in the comment section. This has been on fire for some time now, and I removed the surface that you are seeing. I'm just going to discard that, and then we are good to go. So it did not boil too much, okay? Yes, immediately you it boiled for some few minutes. You just have to remove that off, just off the fire under it, and then remove that. Now I have my eggs. We are going to use 3 eggs in today's recipe, and we are using the egg yolk. Okay, so I'm just going to add the rest of the egg yolk, and then we are good to go. Now make sure you whisk it, and then we are on the right path. So after that, I just added some of the milk that was on fire. At this point, there is no fire under the milk, okay? I added some of the milk from there to it, mix it, and after we are done mixing it, we will just keep it aside and then we proceed. If you've watched me till this point, thank you so much. Now I have with me here my cornstarch. With this recipe, we are going to use 8 tablespoons of cornstarch. So the more you use a lot of cornstarch, the thicker our milk becomes. Okay, I use just 7. We want it creamy. Even though we want it creamy, we don't want it to be like porridge. Yes, so that is our 7 tablespoons. I did it bit by bit, and now you can see that there is no lumps in there. I added the egg yolk and the milk to the cornstarch and the milk. Now this is what we have. I am just going to transfer it or add it to the milk whilst there is fire under it. The fire under it is very low, not very high. Okay, you don't have to be in a rush. Just relax and do it so that you get that perfect outcome you are looking for. Mind you can as well use this base as your ice cream, just ice cream. Even though you can use it for all kinds of ice cream, you can just use this as ice cream as well. Okay, yes. Now I added half a tablespoon of margarine. If you have butter, you can use butter. Okay, mix it very well till it becomes uniform. As you can see, it has not melted yet, so we just want it to melt before we add any other ingredients to what you are seeing on the screen. Thank you so much if you are still with me from the beginning till this time. I am so grateful. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be very grateful if you share the video to others and you leave me your comments in the comment section as well. Thank you so much. We have 3 channel. The name is Recipe Goddess on YouTube. Please do want to follow us there, and also follow us on all social media platforms, and the name is Exhibited Mommy's Recipes. Thank you so much. Now this is where we've landed. Okay, Yes, you can see that the milk is not that creamy, but I'll keep on stirring so we get to the consistency that we are looking for. And also remember that the more you add more cornstarch, you get it very thick, and you don't have to add a lot to get it like porridge. Okay, at this moment, this is what we have. You may think it is not thick, but we are going to wait for the milk to boil for some time and then wait for it to cool down as well. Now it is ready. I am just going to allow this to cool down, and trust me, it was very, very, very creamy. So we are going to leave it for some time and I will get back to you. I will take this opportunity once again to say a very big thank you to all of you for watching me from the beginning till the end. I'll be very happy if you go through our videos to watch other content. Thank you so much. So after some few minutes, I'm just going to remove the surface, okay, and then show you how it looks, even though it is still warm in there. But if we use it for the ice cream, you will see the perfect outcome that we got. I can't wait to share the ice cream recipe with you, and trust me, you will love them. Okay, yes, so that is it. I have removed everything, and I am just going to share with you how creamy it looks. Remember again, the more you use a lot of cornstarch, the thicker your cream becomes, and you don't need to use a lot of cornstarch to get it like porridge. Okay, you can as well substitute the cornstarch. If you don't have the cornstarch, you can use your all-purpose flour, bread flour, soft flour instead of the cornstarch. Okay, yeah, so this is how it looks. It is still hot, and you can see that from the beginning it wasn't as thick as this. So the more it becomes, the more it cools down, the thicker it becomes. So just stay in touch. I will bring you the recipe and you will see how creamy it became, and even this one is very creamy. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.